Make a banner, Year of the Horse. Materials. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun instead. Felt sheets, 1 each of 5 colors, plus 1 thicker black sheet. Yellow, cream, red, blue, and black. Straight pins, scissors, needle and embroidery thread, 12-inch dowel, and 12-inch length of twine. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Set aside the stiff black sheet. It will be the surface of the banner. To cut out the pieces, you may find it to be an easier method to first cut around the outside of each pattern shape, then pin the cutout paper shapes to the matching color felt sheets. In the example, you are cutting around the red pattern shapes and pinning them to the red felt. Cut out the red labeled shapes along the dotted lines and pin them to the red felt. You will then be cutting out the red felt pieces along the solid black lines. Leave room for the red flower shapes. Pin down with straight pins. Cut out along the solid black lines. Sew on the background. The stiff black felt sheet will be the banner surface. 1. Pin the cream moon shape to the banner in the position shown and sew down using the cream color thread. You can also use black thread for all of the sewing, but for these instructions we will be using the colors of thread that match the pieces we are sewing down. Use small close stitches around the edge of the piece you are sewing down. 2. Pin the bottom blue strip to the banner in the position shown and sew down using blue thread. You can leave the bottom edge loose. 3. Sew on the yellow fringe using yellow thread. The zigzag bottom edge will hang loose. Sew along top and sides. Sew on the horse. To begin, arrange the red horse body and back legs on the banner background in the position and pin down. 1. Sew down the red horse body and back legs using red thread. Sew the front body piece first, then sew around the back legs. Leave room for the tail. Be sure you leave enough room for the 26 pieces. 2. Position the yellow mane, forelock, and tail as shown and sew down using yellow thread. 3. Sew on the cream-colored heart with cream thread and the black hooves with black thread. Sew on the flowers and date. 1. Sew on the 3 red flowers and 1 yellow flower in the position shown. You'll be sewing down the center of the flowers and leaving the petals loose. Sew down the center circle to tack the flower in place. Leave the petals loose. Use cream thread for the cream circles and red for the red circle. 2. Pin the black numbers in the position shown and sew down using black thread. 3. Sew down the red heart in the center of the black 0 using red thread. Sew on the dowel sleeves. 1. Sew the 2 red sleeves to the top of the banner. Fold each piece over the banner as shown, then sew down at the bottom edge using red thread. Check the back of the banner as you sew to make sure you are sewing through the back side of the sleeve. Don't worry if your sewing looks messy on the back. It won't show when you hang the banner. 2. The dowel will slide through the sleeves. 3. And you're done! Happy Lunar New Year!